Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars. Lovely day here in Suffolk. We're going to show you today a Volkswagen Touran that we've got for sale. This is a car we took in part exchange. The gentleman who owned this bought a Touran from me, needed something bigger. So this is a 2012 on a 62 plate. It's a 2-litre TDI SE 7-seat Touran, 2012 62, finished in titanium beige metallic. Nice car. It's done 78,000, just over 78,000 miles, but really doesn't show its mileage. It's been looked after well, cared for well, and very good service history with it. Cam belt replaced on time, so that's been done. So let's have a look around. Okay, front here we've got front parking sensors. This has actually got the self-park system on this. Right, so let's have a look down the side of the car. Nice alloy wheels on here. I think these are 16-inch ones on here. Yes, they are. Just check, 16-inch alloy wheels. Nice condition all down the sides. Nice heavily tinted rear windows, so if you've got children in the back, that helps quite a lot. As you can see on the back here, as I said, rear parking sensors. We've also got tow bar on here, which is quite a useful thing to have. Okay, let's show you in the back. So, seats are in the upright position at the moment, so you've got the 7-seat configuration. So, a little bit of storage space here, but not a massive amount. And down under here, this is the area where we store the headrest. So I'll just show you how this works. Quite simply, headrests come out. And so that you've got them on board with you, they actually store down under here. And then these, quite simply, fold into the floor. So you end up with a flat floor, loads of space, and load area cover. Right, let's show you down the side. All in nice condition. Okay, in the back here, as you can see, we've got dark grey cloth. We've also got the little folding trays on the back of the front seats. Now all these seats work individually, so as you can see, they're all individual. They all move backwards and forwards individually. Okay, so all these seats move individually, forwards and backwards, and also recline as well. Right, access into the third row of seats. That reclines and that pops up. So that gives you access. Proper seats in the back there with seat belts, and you can also take these seats out completely. There's a couple of clips down here. Push the clips forward and just remove the seat, so you can effectively turn it into a van if you want to. Okay, let's show you in the front. Seats all in good order, as you can see. Full complement of electric windows and mirrors, heated mirrors as well. Okay, so we've got leather bound steering wheel here. We've got Bluetooth in here with the controls, all the computer controls on here as well. We do have cruise control in this car also. As you can see, 78,189 miles currently. We've got air conditioning, we've got DAB radio, self-park, as you can see the little button down there, that's it. And inside the centre armrest here, bit of storage space, and you've also got the connections there as well. Right, let's show you under the bonnet. Clean and tidy under here. This is the 4-cylinder 2-litre TDI 140 brake horsepower engine, so that's the more powerful one of the two that are available with this car. So plenty of power, but also very, very good on fuel consumption. Right, just to finish off then, let's run through that again. 2012 62 plate VW Touran 7-seat 2-litre TDI SE manual, 78,100 miles. Full service history of the car, cam belt done, part exchanged into us, 2 owners from new. Nice car all round, good condition, doesn't show its mileage. So any more information, please give us a ring, Simon Shield, 01473 658 091, or alternatively hop on the website, because we've got all the photographs, we've photographed the service history, everything's on there. Please do have a look at the stills, and that is simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.